Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while, hasn't it? I thought I would sit down and give you guys an update on my life. As you can see, I am in a new area. I moved and I'm currently living out of boxes. So I thought I would sit down this morning and my cup of tea and just kind of chat to you guys about why I took a little bit of a break and kind of what you can expect going forward from this channel. So during 2020, most of you know, a pandemic hit, and that pandemic took away my job. So with that job being taken away, I had a lot more free time and I kind of threw myself into videos. I loved doing clean with me's. I got into reading more. I had a lot more time to read more books, so that was pretty consistent. And then I cleaned my house, my apartment in that time. So I really kind of threw myself into my YouTube as a hobby, as a way to pass the time. In the fall, I started getting new jobs. I got fired after 3 days from one. Not my fault. And nothing like bad happened. It just wasn't a good fit. And then I started working for the jewelry chain Pandora. I hated that job. And I hated it so much because it's retail. It really just sucked. And I just hate retail. So if you're working in retail right now, I feel for you and I'm sending you good vibes. But basically, I stopped doing videos, and the reason being is because I was exhausted, number one. I was so stressed out because Pandora was maybe paying me about $200–300 a paycheck, and that's not a livable wage for me. So I couldn't really pay my bills. I wasn't getting unemployment because I had a job, but that job wasn't paying me a livable wage. So I was throwing myself into all these hours, barely getting anything, and I was stressed. I didn't really want to sit down and film videos, and I didn't really want to make any videos. I also grew out of that apartment. That apartment got too small for me. I was basically, okay, so my phone just rang, my mom called, so I don't know where I was, but basically I grew out of that apartment. It got so cluttered. There was no place for anything, and I kept collecting books, and this bookshelf behind me got full of them, and then my kitchen table became a catch-all for all sorts of things. And I didn't want to film a clean with me because I couldn't, I just felt out of control. I needed more space. So I ended up moving. This month. I'm still living out of boxes. But I'm also doing that for a reason, because I want to film it. I wanted to film a clean with me / organize with me in the new house, and I think I'm either going to be doing that today or tomorrow. Today I have a doctor's appointment, but tomorrow, I have to work. I have a new job, and also with this job, they pay me a livable wage. I love it. The only issue is that they make me work 8:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. So there are days I just can't film. I'm not gonna film. I'm tired. I have one day off, and that's Sunday. So Sunday is like my cleaning day, but also if I'm exhausted, it's my rest day. So I can't guarantee you guys how often I will be filming. It just kind of depends on my schedule. I'm supposed to be working the night shift, but at the moment I'm not. So tomorrow I work 8:30 to 9, and then we just kind of go from there. So hopefully I'll get videos up weekly for you guys, but sometimes they do this where I have to cover for somebody and I just need to work that long shift. So Alice has been very happy. She's actually right here with a ball. She's been playing ball a lot because we have a yard now. and she is just so very happy. But we moved to a 3-bedroom place. This is my office, and this is also where I'm going to be hopefully filming videos. This is going to be a wall of bookshelves. You guys kind of get to come with me when I'm designing this house, installing new things. You guys, it's definitely a fixer-upper. It's an old house, and so I get to bring you guys along with me. I'm very, very excited to be showing you guys that. I'm excited to be doing cleaning videos again. I actually was going to do a 5 a.m. morning routine because, as you guys know, I get up at 5 a.m. and I do this whole morning routine, and for some reason I just never did it. I think I just kept pushing it off, kept forgetting to set up my camera, and just never did it. So I apologize for that, but hopefully in this new house you guys will be able to see that routine. And I think that covers it all. I think I'm going to film one more video. I'm going to be filming a video on writing. If you guys don't know, I am a published author of a fantasy novel called Red Siren. It's a retelling of The Little Mermaid, and it's for young adults, and I've had a lot of fun with it. I'm actually working on book 2. It has been put on the back burner until I moved because, again, with the work schedule, and I wasn't getting any money, and I needed to be focusing on something that was paying me, and working on the book right now is not paying me to do that. So if you would, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video. That does help me out a lot. And YouTube isn't my full-time job, but I do enjoy doing it, so that just helps me out. Once I get to a certain subscriber count, I do get a little bit of ad revenue, so I can make videos a lot more often. So with that being said, I'll go ahead and head out. I wanted to give you guys an update, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!